deleting your Stockx account is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can delete your Stockx account. So for that, as you guys can see, I'm at the Stockx website, and here you have to log into your account. After logging into your account, you simply have to keep on scrolling down until you see the footer part, or this is the bottom part of the website. Now here you simply have to click on this contact us. After clicking on contact us, a new page should pop up. And in this page, as you guys can see, my account is logged in, and here you simply have to scroll down until you see this option, which is contact us. You simply have to click on this contact us, and this page should pop up. Now here you can let them know that if I want to delete my account, so I'm just going to type in delete my account. I'm just going to enter that. And now after that, as you guys can see, they want you to type a proper email that why you want to do that. So for that, you simply have to add that what you want to delete. You want to delete your account. After letting this information in the order number, you can simply leave it. You don't need to fill it up. And after that, you have to submit that you want to delete your account, and they will delete your account automatically. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.